everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to play Butter by BTS on the keyboard with your right hand. If you'd like to hear how the song sounds all the way through, then skip to the time on the screen and it will take you to the end of the video where I've combined all of the verses. But otherwise, here is verse 1 and I hope you enjoy this video. So the first line of verse 1 is so we're playing G flat, F, E flat, C, A flat, A flat, G flat, G flat, G flat, F, F, E flat, C. So again that is the second line is so we're playing A flat and then up to G flat, F, E flat, C, and then A flat, C, C, E flat, A flat, A flat, A flat. The next line is G flat, F, E flat, C, A flat, G flat, G flat, F, F, E flat, C. And the final line of verse 1 is G flat, F, E flat, C, A flat, C, C, E flat, A flat, A flat, A flat. So that is verse 1. Let's play it again. The next part to learn is the pre-chorus, and this is how it sounds. The first line of the pre-chorus is so we're going to play E flat 7 times, and then down to A flat, and then E flat 6 times, and up to A flat. So again that line is the next line is so it's 7 E flats, down to A flat, and then back to E flat, F, A flat, B flat, E flat, and then E flat 5 times. So again that line is so that is the pre-chorus. Let's play it again. Now we can move on to the chorus. This is how it sounds. first line of the chorus is, so we're going up to C, B flat, A flat, G flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, and middle C. So again, that is. The next line is C, B flat, A flat, G flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, F, A flat, B flat, C. The next line is C, C, B flat, A flat, A flat, F, E flat, F, C, C, B flat, A flat, A flat, A flat, B flat. And the next line is C, B flat, A flat, G flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, middle C, and then F, F, A flat, B flat, C, B flat. So again, that final line is so that is the chorus. Let's play it again. Okay, the next part to learn now is verse 2. This is how it sounds. The first line of verse 2 is G flat, F, E flat, C, A flat, A flat, G flat, F, F, E flat, C. The next line is which is A flat and then up to G flat, F, E flat, C, A flat, and then up to G flat, F, A flat, G flat, E flat. The next line is G flat, F, E flat, C, A flat, G flat, G flat, F, E flat, C. And the final line of verse 2 is A flat, G flat, F, E flat, C, 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 E flat, A flat, A flat, A flat. After verse 2, you can play the pre-chorus and the chorus again, and then the post-chorus is just one line played twice. It's really simple. I'll just play that for you now. So the first line of the post-chorus is F, F, A flat, B flat, C, B flat. And you just play that twice. So again. After the post-chorus, the next verse is a rap verse, so I'm not going to go through that. And then you can play the chorus one more time, another rap verse that I'm not going to go through. And then the final line is exactly what we've just played. It's this. F, F, A flat, B flat, C, B flat. And that is it for this song. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it useful, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up or a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.